Hello, in this video I will show you step by step to install iOS 26 on your iPhone. Ensure to follow all steps in this video to complete update. Ensure automatic update is turned on. iPhone is currently on iOS 18.5 as this is important to set up. Now, open your iPhone browser and Apple Developer. Enter your email address, then your password to sign in to Apple Developer site. Once you have signed in, follow all on-screen steps as captured in this video. Before you proceed, make sure you do a proper backup of all device files, as this does not guarantee if your files will be kept. Go back to Software Update, turn on the Beta Updates, select iOS 26 Developer Beta. Before you proceed, make sure you do a proper backup of all device files, as this does not guarantee if your files will be kept. Congratulations, iOS 26 Beta is ready to download. Also, make sure you have a strong internet connection for smooth download and installation process. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe and stay tuned for more video updates. Thank you.